Hey, it's Gage at eMotors Direct. Today I'm going to show you how to use our website's cross-reference tool using just a catalog number. So to quickly paint a picture, you're a maintenance manager and one of your lines is down. You go and check it out and you realize one of those motors is shot. So what you see is you are looking for a Baldor VM3546. Into our website, plug in the catalog number and click on the motor. Instantly, you're going to see that this motor has been discontinued. But if you look down below and see the cross-reference matches, our website will automatically show you all the same spec motors in our system, which includes the new edition of the Balder, but you can also shop across the other brands as well. One other important thing to note, as you know, maybe the dimensions can be a few inches off here and there. We always have the specs and data packages right at your fingertips, so you can make sure your new motor will fit. Thanks for your time, and if you need a hand cross-referencing, please let me know.